This video was actually inspired by a TikTok video I watched. The lady who lost about 50% of her hair after childbirth, and she was introduced to this by her mother.
Hey guys, the weekend is almost here and this week has been very stressful for me. I don't know about you, so let me know how your week has been in the comment section. So today I'm coming your way with a lot of different things, unlike the usual that I talk about the benefits of each thing I'm using for the spray. Today I've decided to just write it here on your screen so I don't have to talk about the things, but we get to talk about other things. So as we are seeing the benefits of the things I'm going to use, that is, the first one is fenugreek seed, and we are using parsley seed, and we're also using clove. We are also using pawpaw leaves and mint leaf, guys. So let me know if you've ever used any product with these things inside, and how has it been? Has it worked for you? Did it work for the purpose you bought it, or you regretted buying it? And today we are doing a simple hair spray. So if you have lens infection, then this should be your hair rinse. But then if you don't have lens infection, you want to use it for normal hair growth, then this should be your daily hair spray instead of normal water. So guys, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, share to your friends, and also give the video a thumb up, and let us know you are new in the comment section so we can give you a proper welcome. And if you're already a family or you've watched my videos before, please let me know what you think about this type of video, comparing it to the other ones that I actually talk about the things, the benefits of the things, and these that I'm writing the thing on the screen. What do you think about them? And let me know in the comment section which one is better. Is it the former or the latter? Let me know in the comment section. So guys, let me welcome you back to my channel. It's your favorite girl Sylvia Oye in the building, and today I'm coming your way with mint hairspray. So this hairspray actually works for number of things, because each product I'm using helps in a lot of things, ranging from dry hair, itchy scalp, lens infection, bacterial infection, and whole lot of things. This video was actually inspired by a TikTok video I watched. The lady who lost about 50% of her hair after childbirth, and she was introduced to this by her mother, and she used it for just a month. She used it twice daily, and after a month her hair grew back. So I decided to do a research about the things she used, and guys, it is mind-blowing. This mint leaf can cure a lot of things. This mixture can cure a lot of things, from lens. Guys, the way I've been seeing people asking of cure of lens, I decided to do this video to help search people. So guys, until I see you in my next video with another mind-blowing video, bye.